So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find the real user reviews on with a Google search trick to get the genuine product reviews. Now you can do the same stuff from your smartphones as well. Just simply open any of the browser and here type site with the colon and write Reddit dot com slash. Under this double quotes you need to write the product of which you want to check the user reviews, the genuine user reviews. For example, if I write iPhone 16 Pro, just simply search it and here you're gonna find the real reviews on the Reddit that have been uploaded by a general the real user, the generic users. You can get all the reviews of any product. All right, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.